Experiencing voicemail problems on SafeLink? You're not alone. Many users face issues like not receiving messages, PIN lockouts, or visual voicemail malfunctions. First, ensure you have a strong network signal, at least 3 bars. Restart your phone. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Check that your phone's software and the SafeLink app are updated to the latest versions. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. If problems persist, clear the cache of the SafeLink app or your phone's voicemail app. Next, verify voicemail is enabled in your phone's settings. Often, voicemail issues stem from device-side configurations rather than SafeLink's network. For additional assistance, you can also use the SafeLink app to troubleshoot common issues. You can check your voicemail storage to make sure it's not full. Delete old voicemails if it is. Setting up voicemail on SafeLink is usually straightforward. Dial 86 or a carrier-specific code, like 98 for Verizon, to access the voicemail system. Follow the prompts to record your greeting and set up a 4 to 6-digit PIN for security. If you forget your PIN, use the SafeLink mobile app, version 5.2 or later, to reset it. If in-app reset isn't available, call SafeLink customer service at 1-800-723-3546 for assistance. For visual voicemail (VVM), ensure your device is compatible, iOS 10 Plus or Android 7 Plus, with the SafeLink app installed. Enable VVM in your phone settings and grant the necessary permissions to the SafeLink app. Visual voicemail allows you to see your messages without dialing into the voicemail server.